At Bathrooms by Design, we truly understand the value of the bathroom and the positive effect it can have on health and well-being. That's why we travel the world to find the best quality, most affordable and reliable manufacturing partners with an unrivaled range of products. From the things you have thought of to some of the things you might not have. Explore and be inspired, either on our website, at one of our showrooms, or via our virtual reality app. When the time is right for you, we help you get the most from your bathroom. We can help with measuring the room, or you can use our free app that includes a floor planner to do it yourself. During our free design consultation, we look to understand your home, your family, and what is important to you, and can work to any budget. Using our own design software, we quickly help you imagine your dream bathroom space, either at one of our design studios or from the comfort of your own home via our online design consultation. You can then use our app to view your designs wherever you are. You can also share with your family and friends, and we will continue to work on your designs until you are completely satisfied. Whether you have an installer already lined up, or you rely on us to recommend one for you, the plans created by our software can be accessed by your installer. So, exactly what you see on the screen becomes your perfect bathroom. With everything available from us, from room ceiling and tiles, right through to the latest in lifestyle-enhancing technology. We include everything you need to create your dream bathroom. Once an order is placed, we will carefully prepare your goods and deliver in stages convenient for you. And we can work directly with your installer throughout your project to take the stress away. Your time, convenience, and satisfaction is of utmost importance to us, and we will do everything we can to help you create your dream bathroom that will complement your home, delight your family, and improve your lifestyle. Why not come in and see us? Or download our virtual reality app to see what we can really do for you.